Hello, this is Learnlog, and in today's class, we are going to discuss another question of past paper, May-June 2021, Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics. So, without wasting any time, let's start solving the question. And once again, I'm going to remind you that this is Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics, and it's of attempt May-June 2021. So in the previous videos, I did question number 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5 also. So for that, I will provide if you have missed any of these videos and you want to see the solution of this, I will provide you the link of this question in the description. So you can go there and watch it. So the next question number 6 is, let's zoom it so that we can see it clearly and more better. So the question is, the nth term of the sequence is n square plus 3n. Find the first three terms of the sequence. First three terms. It means for first term n is 1. So, and for second term n is 2. And for third term n is 3. So let's find first term. So first term it will be n square plus 3n. For first term n is 1, so I will substitute 1 square plus 3 into 1. So 1 square is 1 plus 3 into 1, 3, so 4. So first term is 4. For second term, I will put 2. So 2 square plus 3 into 2. 2 square is 4 and 3 into 2 is 6. So second term is 10. Next is find the third term. For third term, I will substitute 3 square plus 3 into 3. So 3 square will be 9 plus 9, and which will give me 18. So let's check the answer if I'm right or wrong. So according to marking scheme that is given, this is the right answer. And what's the part B of this? Part B, they are saying there are first 5 terms of different sequence. Find the nth term of sequence. So how to find nth term? Okay, what you do, you subtract 18 minus 25. What answer do you get? Minus 7. So there is a difference of minus 7 between all of these terms. Minus 7, 4 minus 11 is also minus 7. Now minus 3 minus 4, it's also minus 7. Always remember that whenever you find the common difference, what you do, you subtract first term from the second term, okay? Like you do 18 minus 25, then you do 11 minus 18, then you do 4 minus 11, then you do minus 3 minus 4. So for all of them, you will get minus 7. Okay, so this is known as common difference. Common difference means same difference you are getting for all of them. So there is the formula to find the nth term. That is a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term of the series. What is the first term of the series over here? It's 25. So I substitute 25 and I will keep it same, and common difference is minus 7. Now minus 7 and this bracket n minus 1 are multiplying with each other. So 25 minus 7n, minus into minus plus 7 into 1 is 7. So 25 plus 7 minus 7n. So 25 plus 7, what it gives? 32 minus 7n. So minus 7n plus 32. This is the nth term I found. Let's see what they are giving. That's the right answer. So 32 minus 7n is the nth term. Now, if you want to verify that whether your question is right, whether the solution is right, so what you do, you can find 32 minus 7n. For first term, n will be 1. So 32 minus, so yes, the first term is 25. Now, suppose you want to find out second term. So for second term, you substitute n is equal to 2. So 32 minus 14, you get 12 minus 4 is 8. And then 2 minus 1 is 18. Okay, even if you want to make sure, so 32 minus 7 into 3, 32 minus 21, you get 11. Okay, so that's how you solve the question of sequences. This is the past paper. I'm reminding you again, this is past paper, Cambridge IGCSE 580, May June 2021, question number 6. If you want to see the solution of further question, do subscribe to the channel Learn Log and click the bell icon to get the notification of all lectures, physics, biology, chemistry, mathematics with past paper practice free of cost. So just you have to do is to click the bell icon and subscribe the Learn Log to get all lectures free of cost online. See you in next class. Bye.